Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yes, I'm still in the same clothes as the last two episodes because it's the same day. What we're doing today, I'm going to start looking at the Skyline while it's outside and try to straighten out the panel. I'm actually going to repair the panel, save a bit of money. So we'll get out there and have a quick look and see what I can do. Alrighty, so damage coming in here and it's come out here, so I'm going to keep going back to the other side to take references. I believe that is all straight all along, so this needs to be pulled out. The hardest part will probably to get that line there. And we'll get this in. Might roll the guards a bit. But yeah, just thought I'd do it today before I start touching it and things change. So yeah, that's all straight. So I can pretty much take a template with that section and cross it over to the other side, so I don't think it flares out at all, it just kind of blends in. It's this part that flares. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing. Alrighty guys, just check the weather. It's supposed to rain in the morning tomorrow while I'm at work, so that's fine. But I need to get this mattress and a couple of other things to the tip, so I'll see you after that, and this will be all cleaned up and I'll bring the Skyline in so I can work on it any time. And once I straighten out the front left quarter, we'll get stuck into the bumper. I'll take off the bumper, see if there's any other damage, and then yeah, we'll get it done hopefully in the next couple of weeks. Alrighty guys, it's Monday, it's about midday, just got home from work. So what I need to do is clean up the garage a bit more, so I'm going to go grab the trailer from my parents, get the mattress in there, just a couple of bits of rubbish that we don't need. And I'll probably take that to the tip tomorrow. So I need some hammers and dollies. So I'm going to head down to Autobarn after I have something to eat and grab just a cheap set of hammers and dollies. I don't need anything expensive just yet. Yeah, that should do the job. So we'll get that in. Probably have to jump start it. So when I get the trailer, I'll bring it in front of the Skyline, jump start it, get that in here. We'll get this stuff out first. You right there? You right? Snorting. Yeah. We're going to start the panel beating part of it. And then get it out, clean it up, let's sweep it out, wet it down, and sand and paint and whatnot. Yep, used to be on that. Has he? Used to jump on it. So I got the hammer and dolly set, went to get the trailer wasn't there. I'll bring the fuzz in, jump start the Skyline, bring the Skyline around. One of the guys at the party on Saturday said saw a huntsman go across the windscreen of the Skyline. Hopefully we don't find him. While that's charging a little bit, I'll make some room. Alrighty. Sweet! Alright. I think that should be enough to start the work. And get it to that side more, so I've got more room here. And obviously so I can open up the fridge. Let's get her in. Actually, there is a shit ton of shit on it. I'm going to take it down to the car wash and get it off. Then I'll bring it in and drive it straight in. Alright guys, because I want to work on this area as well, I'm going to go give it a wash. So last drive for a long time. Ooh, I hope the spider doesn't come out and get me. I just came out the driveway forwards and there's an old lady across the road. She's looking at me, she's like, ooh, because it was like scraping. Definitely can't go out straight or out forwards in that driveway. I try to angle it, but still, yeah. And this is stock height too. She nasty. All clean. Let's head home. I got to show you something too. So, cleaned it up nice and did that. So you can probably see the different colour. Pressure washed all that off. Anyways, I'm redoing that. Got some room down here to work. Be able to swing a hammer. And open the door. Cool. Here is the 7-piece body repair kit with the dollies and hammers. Hey, you right? Alright guys, I haven't done any panel beating before. Actually, tell a lie. Many years ago, I started an apprenticeship. I did 2 weeks. I wanted to do painting, and they ended up putting me with the panel beaters. I'm like, I don't want to do this, and they're like, it's too bad. You need to do panel beating before you do spray painting. And I'm like, see ya. And then I did detailing. But let's get the light on the right angle, so we can see where we need to pop it in. Obviously pop it in there, and need to go the other way there. So I need to jack this up and get the wheel off so I can get in there. Alright, I've got it jacked up. There's the Ugga Dugga over here. Don't lose them. I'm going to put the wheel under the car. I do have a jack stand there as well. I can have a good look. Alrighty guys. Just looking at the panel. What are we going here? Got something broken there. So I'll work with the panel first. So I've got this still attached. I didn't have that there. That's quite expensive to get into Australia, if you didn't know. And yeah, that's all. I'll get there. Looks like another mount of some sort for the light. But yeah, I'll start tapping on here. Tap on there. Might tap on there first actually. And might need to get a dolly onto one side and tap it. So I've actually never used hammer and dollies before. They're over there. I'll show them to you later, but all I was trying to find was a flat edge and a flat edge, because this edge is flat. Makes sense, yeah? Alright. Give it a go. It's coming in. I need to get that inner guard on. Alright guys, so I just tucked it out of the way. It's actually pushed up at that point as well. We'll see how we go. I think this has been repaired before. Either we've laid it on thick, or looks like there's body filler behind it. Yep, there's body filler there. It's my handiwork. I'll do a better job. What's up, Bezzy? Get this behind there again. We're getting there, boys. Getting there. It's a lot straighter. Just using our ruler because I know it's straight line all the way. So it's flat, flat. It's not so flat. I'm actually going to take this off and just unbolt it. See how we go. So if you watched the episode where I did this, that's when it popped out. Put roof nuts in. Wow. Okay, so where it mounts to the light, looks like it's broken. Okay. Sweet. So this isn't actually bent in at all. It just broke the tab off the light. So if I can get that straight, I'll be laughing. So I don't need to worry about that edge or this edge. So I'll go ahead and bolt them back together. So we have some stability when I'm whacking it. Slowly getting there, guys. Slowly. Looking heaps better already, but still not straight. So keep working on it. I'm not going to bore you with all the panel beating stuff. I'll get the bumper off tomorrow, but we'll actually look at the light and the mounting for the guard. That's probably more important. So this dolly, the back side of this dolly is like perfect. It's like the right curve of what that section is. So I'm just going along like every half centimetre, every 5 mil, and checking it. It was all pretty good until that, yeah, I need to bring it out a bit. So, pretty happy with that. Hope you could hear me. But yeah, same shape, went along that edge. It's looking good. I don't think I've got enough time today to get to anything else. So what I might do is just take the front bumper off tonight, and we'll catch you in the morning. Yeah, that's it for this episode, guys. Hope you liked it. We pretty much got that straight. Might just use some glazing putty to flatten that out. But yeah, next up, we'll fix the light. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you next episode. Bye.